Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker and welcome to the course, Provisioning and Managing AWS Storage Gateway. I'm a cloud consultant and I help organizations plan, build, and implement custom software on AWS. I have over 10 years of experience using AWS and I currently hold 4 different AWS certifications. This course is designed to give you the information that you need to provision your own AWS Storage Gateway instance. Before you take this course, it is helpful for you to understand the core AWS storage services including Amazon S3 and Amazon EBS. In this course, I will provide an overview of the core problem when it comes to integrating your local data into the cloud. And I will illustrate how the hybrid cloud approach of AWS Storage Gateway can solve those challenges for your organization. Next, I will review the 3 different types of gateways that can be configured. After that, I will analyze how to provision a new gateway and configure it for use. Finally, I will review approaches for administering a storage gateway instance, including setting alarms and monitoring metrics. I believe that the solutions provided in this course can help you seamlessly integrate the low latency connection to your data center with the durability and reliability of the cloud with AWS.